Hello students. Now mm, we are today in this today's class. We are going to execute the program of decimal adjust. See why I am going slowly means because you should get the concept. If you are getting the concept of starting programs only, then the later next programs are like big. Since they are big, you will be getting confused, so that's why your confusion should go in this class only, when you are writing small programs only, at that time you should be like perfect. So now what we will do, now we will simply execute the program of decimal adjust. For executing the program of decimal adjust, we have to go for our microprocessor kit. Before microprocessor kit, you should see once the program of our 8085 microprocessor for decimal adjust. Okay, now we are starting the program execution. See, in the program, first we have written the decimal adjust algorithm. Okay, you can see first program here in algorithm. What we have done, we have loaded the first data, second data, adding, decimal adjust, and result is stored in the memory location stop. Okay, now we will going to execute this program in your 8085 microprocessor kit. So while executing, this is used for your practical also. Okay, so while executing, because third unit is totally in theory itself, you are having lab work, so be careful. Okay, now we are going to execute what, this program. First, what we have done in this program, LDA instruction is loaded with 8850. You can load any other address also, it is your wish. It is not compulsory that you should load this address only. Bolke you can load. After loading, we have seen the code of LDA 8000 onwards. We have started the program because remaining addresses are used for other operation in your kit. So if the programmer want to program the microprocessor, it should program from 8000 onwards. Then code of LDA is how much? 83A. We will enter on the first. It is of how many bytes? 3 bytes. It will take 3 memory locations. So 8001, 2. Then we have to go for this LSB first. Then MSB second. 88. Then we will move the data from accumulator to B register, because accumulator should be empty for the second data. It should be ready, because memory, if you are giving the data from memory, you have to give to the microprocessor only, for accumulator only. So accumulator should be empty now. That's why we have transfer the data from accumulator to B register. After that, what is the code of B register? A comma B's code is what? 47. It is of 1 byte. Fine. 8003. Okay. Next, we have to load the second data from the memory location LDA 8851. This second data means LDA is how many byte? 3 byte. 4, 5, 6. It will take 3 memory locations. So when it is taking 3 memory locations, LDA is first like 51. We will load. Then we will load 88. Then finally we will go for add instruction. In add, we will write the code of add 80, and DA instruction, it is of 1 byte. DA is also 27, 1 byte. Again STA is of 3 bytes. 32 is the code of STA. Then it will take 3 memory locations, 00A, B. After 9 you will be writing in the form of hexa. Remember that. Be careful. Okay. A, B. 60, 88. Then last one will be what? Last one is nothing but RST. RST, end of the program. Okay, like comment. Code of RST is EF. Same. What is a memory location? 00C. Now after that, we have to give one data on this. We have to give one data on this. Finally, the result will be on this memory location. So this we have to confirm by executing it on the kit. So how? Now we will confirm it by executing it on the kit, that 8860 result. Okay, this is your result column. In that input is 8850. One data I am giving 0A. A means hexa. I am giving hexa because it is decimal adjust program. I have to give hexa one number and one decimal. Both are added and we will get the result as 11. But as per the hexa, we should get the result as B. If we are not giving DA instruction, result will be simply what? Here B. Now I am giving DA instruction, decimal adjust instruction. So obviously your result will be what? 11, because it is after adding the hexa number, result will be in the form of hexa. But we don't want the result in hexa. We want the result in decimal. So it has converted into decimal 11, because equivalent of A is what? 10. 10 is nothing but equivalent of A is 10 and 0 1. Okay, when I am adding 10 plus 1 11. But if it is in hexa, we will get B. When we will get B? When we are not writing DA instruction. Okay, decimal adjust accumulator instruction. If you are not writing after add instruction, simply your result will be 0B. But if you are writing DA instruction after add instruction, your result will be what? 11. Listen carefully. Okay, now we are going to execute this program. Okay, now we are going to execute this program. Okay, see here all of you. Now for executing this program, we need the kit of your 8085 microprocessor. Okay, we need the kit of 8085 microprocessor. This is your kit of 8085 microprocessor, and for this purpose what we have to do, we have to on this. Okay, I am owning this, then I will get this. Now it is on, compulsory you have to on this. Okay, you can see here I have reversed the camera so that you can see the image of your kit. Okay, now slowly we will adjust, we will execute the program. Okay, now for executing the program, come to this program. First what you have to enter in the kit, you have to enter memory locations and you have to enter machine codes. Remember this, only these things you have to enter. Okay, in this kit. So first and most important point, what you will do, first you will reset. You will press what? Reset. Reset means it is displaying what? UPS 85. That means microprocessor 8085 microprocessor. Okay, it is telling us that your microprocessor kit is ready for execution purpose. Okay, after reset, okay, press reset. Okay, this wire, see, this type of things should not happen here, be careful. This wire has gone loose. Now it is like reset perfectly, we got reset. After resetting, okay, next is what? Okay, next after resetting, okay, resetting, then we have to press examine memory. Okay, in examine memory only we will enter the program. What is the location? 8000. Okay, 8000. Okay, on 8000 I have to go beside. For beside, what I have to do next? Then I can enter the hex codes here. What is a hex code here? On 8000, 3A. 3A. Okay, next, then next code is what? 50. I should enter 50. Automatically it is incrementing. See here, address is automatically incrementing. Okay, address is automatically incrementing, but okay, you have to enter the codes. Now automatically your address is incrementing. You can see here. Okay, you can see the address 8802. On 8802, what you have to enter? 88. Okay, 88. Okay, then next, on 003, what you have to enter? See here, 47. Okay, 47. Next, 004, what you have to enter? 3A. Okay, 3A. 3A. Okay, next, on 005, what you have to enter? 51. Okay, now we are entering 51. Next, on 006, 88. 006, 88. Okay, we have to enter. Then next, press next. Okay, then you have to enter what? 007 means what? 80. 008 means 27. 007 means 80. Next, then 008 means 27. Okay, you have to enter now 27. Okay, then next you have to enter on 009, 32. Then next, on 00A, you will enter 60. 00A, see, automatically it has become A. You will enter what? 60. Okay, next, on 00B, you will enter 88. Next, on 00C, you will enter what? EF, end of the program. Okay, now after end of the program, what is your task now? To execute the program. For executing the program, what you have to do? You have to see the result in this input and output. Okay, input is 8850, output is 8851 and 60. Okay, it is like 60. Okay, now what we will do now? Now we will press reset. Okay, again I have to give data. Examine memory 8850. I have to give the data here. 0A. I am giving A. One data I am giving on 8850. After writing the program, reset, examine memory 8850, data address 0A. Next, I have to give 8851. I am giving 01. Okay, then what I have to do? Now I have to, after entering this, execute. Okay, now data is there na, execute, go. Go means it will go to where? 8000, starting address of the program. Okay, executed. Okay, executed. Then now you can check the result. How you will check? After reset, examine memory 8860. Next, so again we will execute. Some problem is there. How to execute? We will see. Reset, examine memory 8000 onwards. We have entered the program. Again 3A. You should enter. Okay, some kit 3A. 50, next, then 88, next 47, next, okay, for on 004 3A again, okay, next 005 51, next 88, next 80, next 27 on 8th, okay, next 32, next 60, next 88, next EF. Okay, so we have entered the program now. After entering the program, we have to give the data address. Okay, data address. What we will do? Reset exam in memory 8850, next 0A, next 001 0A. Now execute, go. It will go to 8000, execute it. Okay, now reset examine memory, check the result at 8860. See, at 8860 you will get the output. You have to check the result at 8860. That is compulsory. Okay, so 8860 we will check the result now. We will press next. Okay, got the result. What is our result now? 11. What data I have given? 0A. I have given 0A, 01, and this is 11. Obviously, even this is also 11. Okay. So, what you have seen in this kit, that whatever data is there in this, finally we have given the data on these two memory locations, and finally we got the result in the form of decimal. By we have taken one data on 8850, we have taken one data on 8851, then we have to add both the result. After adding, our result should be in the form of decimal. Then we have stored the result. So just now we have seen the program, and we have got the result, that is 8860. On 60 we got 11, which is in the form of decimal. Here also we got 11. If you want to change the data, you can change the data also, and we can see here you can give any other data B, and here you can give 2. B and 2 you will give, means B is like equivalent is 12 plus 2 14, so your result should be like 14. You can give that data also, it is your wish. And but presently whatever one data we have given in your book, as per your record, as per your notes also you can give, or any other data you can give. We got the result of decimal address instruction program, that is on 8860 we got 11. Answer is 11. Okay, now if you want to change the answer, simply reset examine memory. Okay, on 8850 you give some data 0B. Okay, now I am giving B, and I am giving 02. We will see. Okay, then execute, go to 8000, execute it. Okay, now reset examine memory. Now we have to see the result. Reset examine memory on 8860. What data we have given here? We have given B and 02. Now we should got 13. Okay, B is like A is 10, B is 11, 11 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 12, 13. So your answer is like 13. Okay, you can see the answer. You can change the data and you can see. It is not compulsory that you have to give this data only. You can give the data by your own also. It is not a problem for you all. Okay, by this you can give any data. Okay, so you can see here we have given the data here. Okay, now if you want to change, you can change the data also, your wish, no problem. Okay, if you want to change, now you change. Examine memory 8000. Next, okay, you have your program is like that. Set examine memory 8850. We will give some data here. 0b we give now. We will give now 0c. Okay, next we will give some other data 03. Okay, C means what? See, A means 10, B means 11, C means 12. 12 plus 3, your answer will be what? We will see now. Okay, execute, go. Go to 8000. Okay, executed. Then reset. Examine memory. We will see the result 8860. 0. Okay, on 60 what we should get? 15. See, we got the result 15. Even though your answer is like in hexa, we have given in hexa, but we got the result in the form of 15. 15 means what? It is in the form of decimal. Okay, 15 means it is in the form of decimal. Okay, you can see this. We got the result in the form of decimal. Okay, by this we have finished our. If you want, you can change. If you want more you can change, and you can see. Reset examine memory 8850. C I have given now. Now I will give F. Okay, next F means 15. F plus here I will give 05. Okay, what will be your result? Execute, go. It will go to 8000. Okay, then execute. Okay, then result. For seeing the result, you should go to examine memory 8860. See, we have given 5 and we have given F. F is 15 and 5 is 5, like 5. 15 plus 5, 20. So what will be your result now? We will see. 1A. It is like some errors came. Okay. Now, finally, we got reset examine memory 8000. We will check the program. Okay, reset examine memory 8000. Okay, reset examine memory 8850. We will give some other data 0f. Next 02. Okay, 01 you change. Then execute, go 8000. Executed. Reset examine memory 8860. Okay, 16. Okay, you got the answer. Like, what is your answer now? Your answer is like 16. Okay, finally we got the answer 16. F and 1 is nothing but F is 15 and this is 16. Okay, so finally By this we have completed our decimal adjust program. My next videos or next class I will be explaining you different program, that is addition of 16-bit numbers, subtraction, multiplication. Next 3 videos will be like that only for your next week. Okay, so before that, why I am going slowly means because you all should be perfect in the first starting program itself. Okay, that's why I am going slowly. Okay, by this we have completed our 2 programs successfully: addition of 8-bit numbers, and decimal adjust program. Okay, now next we because why I am showing you this simultaneously execution as well as this, so that you should be perfect. Okay, in practical point of view and theory point of view, that's why I am showing you. Okay, fine, all of you, thank you.